Welcome back for video 64, as we answer a question I get asked every single day. With all this incredible AI technology at findmyhomenow.com, do you even still need a real estate agent? The truth is that while AI is unmatched at finding data, humans are still the masters of high-stakes negotiation. AI can tell you what a house is worth, but an experienced agent knows the local gossip that might lower the price. We believe the most successful buyers in 2026 use a hybrid approach that combines tech with personal expertise. You use our AI to filter thousands of listings and find the perfect match in just a few seconds. Then, you bring in a professional to handle the complex emotional side of closing the deal and navigating inspections. An agent provides the human touch that understands your family's specific needs in a way code simply cannot. Our platform is designed to empower agents with better data, not to remove them from the important process. Click the link in my bio to see how our tools help both buyers and agents work together more efficiently.